Díomh agus fáilte a chuirde, hello and welcome. Welcome to Amhrán na Seachtaine, Song of the Week. Each week on my blog I pick a song and share the lyrics along with a translation and several different versions of the song by different artists. This is a pronunciation guide for you if you would like to learn the song and sing it in Irish. Just a quick note on pronunciation before we get started. There are three main Irish dialects, or canúts: Munster, Ulster and Connacht. My main influences are Munster and Connacht, as my teachers were native speakers from those areas. For the purposes of this activity though, I won't speak with a really strong accent. I'll speak clearly so that you can hear the sounds and enunciate. As you listen to different singers sing different versions, you'll find one that you like. The main differences in the dialects are pronunciation of some sounds, where the emphasis put on the syllables, and some phrases and words. So listen to and repeat each verse and chorus several times, as often as you need to, and enjoy. And this week's song is Báidín Fheilimí. Enjoy. Báidín Fheilimí dimi go góla. Báidín Fheilimí ann. Báidín Fheilimí dimi go góla. Báidín Fheilimí ann. An churfá, or the chorus. Báidín bídeach, báidín beosach. Báidín buíoch, báidín Fheilimí. Báidín díreach, báidín diontach. Báidín Fheilimí ann. Báidín Fheilimí dimi go tóirí. Báidín Fheilimí ann. Báidín Fheilimí dimi go tóirí. Báidín Fheilimí ann. Báidín Fheilimí briseach I dóirí. Báidín Fheilimí ann. Báidín Fheilimí briseach I dóirí. Báidín Fheilimí ann. A PDF with the lyrics and translation along with the melody and an MP3 of the pronunciation guide are available on my website simplyjacinta.com. Take it easy, simplyjacinta.com/blog, and you will find some links to videos of different versions of the songs, or you can do a search on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc. Tá seanlas de an freisin de Amhrán na Seachtaine ar YouTube. There's also a playlist of the songs of the week available on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below. Má bhain tú soltas, if you enjoyed this or got value, gur míle maith agaibh, thank you very much. Chas Amhrán.